Oh, there it goes. Now I'm getting it good. Ginny, want a snowball? I have to put the flash on so they look like they're possessed because their eyes are glowing.
Is you getting wet? Snow dog! Snow dog!
Oh, I hate how their eyes are glowing.
Okay, wait.
Throw it at her.
Wait. That's cold. There is some cold snow. Yeah, it's warm snow. No, it's cold snow.
I'm recording you being silly.
Look at the dog. The dog.
Whenever Bracee looks in the mirror, her eyes are like green, like she's an alien.
Can you get the dog word from there? No, you can't. It's too dark.
It's too dark out there.
Beautiful. There you go.
I think it's they're freaking out because they can't smell anything. Jenny. Get it, Jenny. Get it. Get it, Bracee. Did you see her eyes?
No.
She wants to go in there.
Oops. That's okay. This is good, actually.
Get it. Get it. Yeah, let them dig in that. You're crazy. Get it, Bracee. Get it, Bracee. Get it. Get it, Ginny. Get it.
Oh.
It's going to be too long to put on Facebook. She slipped.